The next group is from the Buena Vista High School of Pura. And our next group is from Estipona High School of Pura.
Magsaya sa ganda at galing ng Tarlac.
And finally, the street dancers from the city of Tarlac.
Mabuhay ang Tarlac, nagkakaisang mga lahi, patungo sa mga pangarap na minimithi. Tuloy-tuloy ang mga proyekto, sama-sama sa progreso. Asenso ng Tarlacenyo, asenso ng Pilipino.
Halina, silayan ng natatangi niyang ganda. Tayo na at tuklasin ang kanyang galing. Natural Tarlac, angat ka. Natural Tarlac, bigat ka. Tara na, tunghayan, kilalanin ang Tarlac. Basta ng ganda at galing ng Tarlac. Magsaya sa ganda at galing ng Tarlac.
Mabuhay ang Tarlac, nangunguna sa agrikultura. Legalidad ang gawa, anumang industriya. Ang naghikain ay pag-asenso, may puso, sipag at talino. Taas noo Tarlacenyo, harapin natin ang mundo.
Halina, silayan ng natatangi niyang ganda. Tayo na at tuklasin ang kanyang galing.
Natural Tarlac, angat ka. Natural Tarlac, bigat ka. Para na tunghayan, kilalanin ang Tarlac. Masdan ang ganda at galing ng Tarlac. Magsaya sa ganda at galing ng Tarlac.
Tila paraiso ang iyong kalikasan. Pinagbalak ka sa likas na yaman.
Lahat ay namamangha at nahuhumaling sa angking mong ganda at galing.
Halina, silayan ng natatangi niyang ganda. Tayo na at tuklasin ang kanyang galing.
Natural Tarlac, angat ka. Natural Tarlac,
Ladies and gentlemen, the Tarlaqueños in their interpretation of Natural Tarlac. Another round of applause for them.
Veronica, yan ang galing
Yan,
ng Tarlac.
galing.
At saka yung pagsasamahan nila. These are 7 high schools getting together for this one presentation. Napakaganda.
I wonder how long it took them to practice this dance.
Matagal siguro kasi napakaganda.
Oo.
Ang galing nila. Another round of applause for the province of Tarlac. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to give due recognition to our honored dignitaries. The Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry, Honorable Jesly A. Lapus, na taga Tarlac, mga kaibigan. The Chairman of the Board, Smart Communications Philippines and PLDT, Honorable Manuel V. Pangilinan, MVP.
Tayo na at tuklasin.
The Secretary of the Department of Education, Honorable Mona D. Valisno. The Education Undersecretary for Regional Operations, Honorable Ramon C. Bacani.
Kilalanin ang Tarlac.
Governor Teresita Lazaro of Laguna.
Galing ng Tarlac.
Governor Carlos Jericho Petilla of Leyte. The Chief Wireless Advisor of Smart Philippines, Mr. Orlando Doy Vea. The Head and Director of Smart Sports, Mr. Patrick Gregorio. The Head of PLDT and Smart Public Affairs, Mr. Ramon Isberto. And from Sambeda College, Father Ed Africa. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the Provincial Governor of Tarlac, none other than our beloved Honorable Victor A. Yap.
Harapin natin ang mundo.
May we now join everybody to witness the grand parade of the 17 regional athletic delegations participating in 17 sports disciplines. Heading the delegations are the provincial governors, vice governors, city mayors, regional directors, superintendents, PESS supervisors, and technical officials of this year's Palarong Pambansa, to be accompanied by the Light Armor Division Brass Band based in Capas, Tarlac, and 17 Drum and Lyre Corps from the Schools Division of Tarlac Province.
Here now comes the delegation from Region 1, the Ilocos region, headed by the Regional Director, Dr. Ligaya F. Miguel. Region 1 is composed of the provinces of Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, La Union, and Pangasinan, and the cities of Lawag, Vigan, San Fernando, Batac, Candon, Alaminos, Urdaneta, San Carlos, Lingayen, and Dagupan. This region is the home of genuine Ilocanos and Pangasinenses, the birthplace of President Elpidio Quirino, Fidel Ramos, and Ferdinand Marcos, of heroes Jose Burgos, Juan and Antonio Luna, Diego and Gabriela Silang, Josefa Llanes Escoda, and Artemio Ricarte. Region 1 is accompanied by the Drum and Lyre Corps of San Clemente Central Elementary School. Dumanon kayo, Apo. A round of applause for them.